Welcome to the instructional video for the MedGem system by MicroLife. MedGem is a handheld, indirect calorie meter that is your go-to solution for accurately measuring resting metabolic rate and oxygen consumption. Accurate RMR and VO2 measurements serve as an ideal basis for nutritional assessment and weight management goals. This innovative device is designed to streamline nutritional monitoring in a range of healthcare settings, offering you a more accurate and reliable alternative to traditional estimation methods. If using the BodyGem system, this device will only measure RMR. The MedGem and BodyGem system kits come with the following components: a DC power supply, single-use mouthpieces, nose clips to prevent breathing through the nose, and a USB drive with included analyzer software. Let's get started with the setup. First, connect the power supply to your MedGem device by inserting the small plug into the DC power in jack on the side of the MedGem device. Then plug the power supply into any standard wall outlet. The MedGem will beep once. Next, the indicator light on top of the unit will briefly show red and then cycle to amber when ready for calibration. Insert the single-use mouthpiece into the flow tube on the back of the device. Ensure they fit snugly to prevent any air leakage. The top of the flow tube should be flush with the MedGem device. This is essential for the accuracy of the measurement. Place the MedGem device upright on a flat surface, away from air vents or fans. It is very important to leave the MedGem device sitting upright on a flat surface throughout the self-calibration period. Power on the device and see the amber indicator light begin to flash and the MedGem device buzz softly, indicating self-calibration has begun. This typically takes up to 30 seconds. When the MedGem device is ready to begin a measurement, the indicator light will flash green and the MedGem device will beep once. Begin the measurement within 1 minute from the time the indicator light begins flashing green. When you're ready to use the device, ensure that the patient is relaxed in a comfortable seated or reclined position and has not consumed food, stimulants, or has exercised for at least 4 hours. To begin this process, place the nose clip on the patient's nose to close the nostrils, position the mouthpiece inside the patient's mouth, and make sure the patient maintains a good seal around the mouthpiece. Ensure that your patient has been instructed not to move during the measurement, as they will need to hold the MedGem device during the measurement. To hold the MedGem device, place your hand on the front of the unit, not on the base where gas flow will be interrupted and the measurement will be interrupted. Be careful not to dislodge the power cord during measurement, as this will discontinue the process. Make sure the patient is comfortable and the device remains stationary to avoid any measurement errors. Patients who are in a non-rested state should rest for approximately 10 to 15 minutes before the measurement to allow the body to stabilize. To make this as easy as possible, have the patient support their arm on the armrest of the chair, a table, or with the opposite hand. The indicator light will change to a non-flashing green during the measurement, and the MedGem device will buzz softly throughout the 5 to 10 minute measurement period. Measurement time will vary, as the time needed to reach a steady state of breathing is patient-specific. Once the measurement is complete, the MedGem device will beep and the indicator light will change back to amber, signaling the end of the measurement. Provide the patient with a paper towel or tissue, as the mouthpiece may cause increased salivation. Don't forget to safely dispose of the single-use mouthpiece and nose clip afterward. You can then review the RMR and VO2 readings directly on the device's display with your patient. These readings will alternate every 2 seconds until the MedGem device is disconnected from the power source or the start button on the top of the MedGem device is pushed. The device will retain measurement results until a new measurement is begun. The MedGem analyzer software is available for download via the MicroLife website and via the USB drive included in the system kit. Once the software is downloaded, click on Plus Client and then enter the patient's details. Then click on Plus Add, and this will allow you to enter the patient's readings. Click Save, and this will take you to the patient profile where you will input additional patient information and goals, including macronutrient percentages. The MedGem analyzer software helps you to formulate tailored nutritional plans for effective health management of each patient. If there is a problem with the MedGem device, the following will occur. The indicator light on the top of the MedGem device will turn red. An error beep tone of 4 low-frequency beeps will be heard. An error code will be displayed in the MedGem LCD window. Then, use the error code and solution table to remedy the problem in the user manual. Once the problem has been identified, unplug the MedGem device from the power supply to erase the error code. Reconnect the power supply to turn the MedGem device on, and refer to begin the measurement to restart. If an error message persists, contact your customer support team. To maintain your MedGem device, regular cleaning with recommended materials is essential for its longevity. Do not submerge the device in water or allow any solution to penetrate the display window, sockets, or openings in the product. Do not expose the device O2 sensors to direct sunlight or UV light. The O2 sensors are located behind the flow tube and are exposed when the flow tube is removed. Protect the MedGem device from extreme temperatures and avoid exposure to moisture that can cause damage to internal components. Use only MicroLife supplied mouthpieces, accessories, power supplies, and replacement parts. To protect the sensors inside the MedGem device, it is recommended that you leave the MedGem device standing upright between uses. You can store it in its case when it's not in use. Thank you for choosing MedGem by MicroLife, where we are committed to providing you with the tools you need to deliver the best in patient care.